My name is John Curry. I'm Director of the Master of Accounting at NUI Galway. The course is designed for people who are graduates in accounting and who want to take the next step towards qualifying as chartered accountants. Our syllabus is very closely based on the CAP 2 syllabus of Chartered Accountants Ireland. So we cover financial accounting, taxation, auditing, finance managerial accounting. We also have some very interesting extra content in information systems and strategic management. And then at the end of the programme, we have two interesting summer schools which give the students the next stage in their career progression. One of the things with a lot of emphasis on is the development of group work and team working skills, because employers tell us that in addition to technical accounting knowledge, group work and teamwork skills are essential for a successful accounting career. Well, we feel that our class size is ideal for fulfilling the learning objectives. We have about 35 students, which is a small enough group for everyone to work with the lecturers and colleagues on a one-to-one basis, and gives us a sufficient pool of people to form a number of teams and groups.